Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we have a thrilling lineup for you, as we dive into the fascinating realm of avian diversity. Birds are incredible creatures, and there are some truly jaw-dropping species out there. Get ready to be amazed as we present our top 10 list of the most incredible birds on the planet. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the resplendent Wilson's bird of paradise. Found in Indonesia, this small bird is renowned for its mesmerizing courtship displays. With vibrant plumage and intricate dance moves, it's no wonder why it captivates both researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. At number 9, we have the harpy eagle, the most powerful raptor in the Americas. With its striking appearance and impressive wingspan, this bird is a true symbol of strength and grace. Harpy eagles reside in the rainforests of Central and South America, where they reign as apex predators. Coming in at number 8 is the African gray parrot, known for its exceptional intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. These highly social and charismatic birds form strong bonds with their human companions, making them popular pets worldwide. Our number 7 pick is the incredible shoebill stork, often referred to as the prehistoric bird. Found in the swamps of Central Africa, this unique-looking bird sports a massive bill that resembles a shoe, and it uses it to catch fish and other aquatic creatures with astonishing accuracy. Moving on to number 6, we have the resolute emperor penguin. These flightless birds brave the harsh Antarctic conditions, enduring freezing temperatures and fierce winds to raise their chicks. Witnessing their huddles and synchronized movements is truly a sight to behold. Our number 5 spot goes to the magnificent Atlantic Puffin. With its colorful beak and comical waddle, this seabird has stolen the hearts of many nature lovers. Found in the North Atlantic, they are skilled swimmers and can dive up to 60 meters in search of fish. Taking flight at number 4 is the great hornbill, a majestic bird native to the forests of Southeast Asia. Recognizable by its massive curved bill and distinctive casque, the great hornbill plays a vital role in local folklore and conservation efforts. At number 3, we have the strikingly beautiful hyacinth macaw, the largest species of parrot in the world. Vibrant blue feathers and an impressive wingspan make this bird a sight to remember. Unfortunately, it's also one of the most endangered parrots due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Our runner-up at number 2 is the harlequin duck, a dazzling species found in North America and Eurasia. Males boast a striking plumage with a mix of colors, while females display a more subtle yet elegant appearance. These diving ducks are true gems of the waterways. Finally, at the top spot, we have the enigmatic Andean cock of the rock. This magnificent bird, found in the Andean cloud forests, has vibrant orange plumage and a flamboyant courtship ritual that involves gathering at a communal lek to display and impress potential mates. And there you have it, our top 10 amazing birds that showcase the sheer diversity and beauty of the avian world. Nature never ceases to surprise us with its marvelous creations. Which bird impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more incredible explorations of our planet's wonders. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe. If you like our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Watch our previous video. Support our conservation efforts. Logo and credits.